Hello, I am Doron from Allegro Gate Automation. In this instructional video, we will show you how to program a KingGate keypad to a KingGate motor. These instructions are for gate automation technicians and electricians only. In the first part of this video, we will show you how to pair the keypad to the motor itself. In the second part of this video, we will show you how to input your own personal code into the gate system.
To pair a KingGate keypad to a KingGate motor, first of all, take out the inside of the keypad so you can have it close to the motor at all times. You can program 1, 2, or 3 of the default codes depending on the customer preference. The default codes are 11A, 22B, and 33C. Press and hold the radio button till you see the radio light turn on. Now key in the default codes. 11A, 22B, and 33C. Tap the radio button to finish the pairing. The pairing is now completed, but let's confirm that it has worked as planned. 11A. The motor is operating. 22B. The motor is operating. And 33C. The pairing is done.
After the pairing of the default code has been completed, let's program the secure personal code into the system. You can program any code you want. For this video, we choose the code 2001, 2002, 2003. Let's do it now. Press and hold the 0 button. Press the A, release the A, release the 0. Press the default code 11A. Now press the new code 2001A, 2001A again. Let's program the next code. Press and hold the 0, press the B, release the B, release the 0. Now enter the default code for B, 22B, and the new code 2002B, and again 2002B. Let's program the third code. Hold the 0, press the C, release the C, release the 0. Enter the default code for 333C and the new personal number 2003 C 2003C. 2001A. Code is working. 2002. Code is working. And 2003. Code is working.